Hi guys, it's my last day in Cebu. Nagyaya kasi yung cousin ko na lumabas. Actually, hindi ko alam kung saan papunta. Pero, sigurado ako mag-enjoy tayo. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Let's explore Cebu City. Cebu City is located in the eastern coast on Cebu Island's south central Philippines. It is one of the country's largest city and is a bustling port. Cebu City is the country's oldest settlement. It is also one of the most historical and retain much of the flavor of its long Spanish heritage. Ferdinand Magellan died here planting the cross almost 500 years ago, bringing Spanish influence and established the first Asian-European settlement. Now we are at Magallanes Cross. Cebu City is the birthplace of Catholicism in Asia. This pavilion is declared by the National Culture Treasure of the Philippines, along with Basilica del Santo Niño Church and Convent building. The Magallanes Cross Pavilion, which houses the Tindalo Cross, was built sometime in the 1800s. This octagonal kiosk structure is made of coral stone. On the ceiling of this pavilion is a mural deflecting the baptismal of Rajah Humabon. Just beside Magallanes Cross Pavilion is Basilica del Santo Nino. This was founded in 1565, the oldest Roman Catholic church in the country. It is built on a spot where the image of Santo Niño de Cebu was found during the expedition of Miguel Lopez de Legazpi. We are at the Pilgrim Center. This was built to accommodate the growing numbers of devotees. Santo Niño de Cebu is a statuette icon of the child Jesus. This was a token by Ferdinand Magellan to the chief Rajah Humabon upon the royal couple christening on April 14, 1521. On 1965, Pope Paul VI made the church a basilica, the symbol of birth and growth of Christianity in the Philippines. Welcome to the oldest city of the Philippines, the Queen City of the South.
Shoutout lang kay Architect Patrick Carayom, Architect Studio! Woohoo! Congratulations, Architect! Grabe, maka-proud. Continue sharing your knowledge and uploading your videos sa inyong mga architectural works. At aabangan namin yan, kaya huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel para tuloy-tuloy ang tagumpay ni Architect Carayom po. Maraming salamat po. Again, Architect, congratulations!